Please stop. Please have mercy. What? That's what you thought. Okay. Oh, that's okay. Don't cry now. Seriously, don't cry, please. I will get you a new. Just listen, okay? Okay. So you're ready to have new hair? Yes! Let me get your hair. I got the hair. Right. You can see it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Yay! Okay, almost. And boom, you have some hair now. Bye guys. Thank this video because we're having a great. Also, like and subscribe. So guys, I'm gonna make a face reveal, guys. And 3, and 2, and 1. Here we go. Don't laugh at me, guys, because I didn't come. So, this is all my stuffies, guys. Ito yung mga stuffies ko. Dito tayo. Sorry guys, nabaliw na ako. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ikaw kasi. Wait lang, hindi kayo guys ito lang yung sinasabi ko. Bruh, lagi ka na lang ganyan sasapakin na kita. So guys, may gagawin na video. Baby boy. Guys, wait lang. Guys. Oh, ang cute niya. Parang totoong rabbit. Ang fluffy niya kasi. Nakakita ko ng totoong rabbit dito. Wait, baby boy. So guys,